is the problem now. This is the problem with the socket going to the transmission. See over there. This transmission is came from our project in Qatar. Okay, if you can see, there is a pin. This pin is some changes. It's happened just because of other pin is broken. So what I have done, it has to change some other pin that have available. So that's the main reason why I make this video. But I'm sorry to tell you that I forget to show you about the changes. Okay, so you can see. So I hope, yeah, I put my no good space now. They already put the cover. So by tomorrow we'll finalize. Where is filter? Now it's coming kachara. Coming kachara. Housing only cover.
Yeah.
Put cover only. See, put kachara inside.
Cover la diya halke. No, I need. After I will finish. You can finish. After I will remove.
No, that filter I think not covering the socket. No problem.
two filter lage
No problem.
two filter lage filter lage
Just only put cover to make it transmission not contaminate. So that's it. I just only shared about this problem that we have. Okay, but this is the completely size of this machine. Okay. Siya yung number 1 serviceman ng Bin Armal. Yan. Yung tao na yung takot tumingin. Tumingin sa camera. Para mapa-YouTube ka. Pogi. Kumikita na ako sa YouTube ko, Pogi. Tumingin ka naman. Tumingin ka? Ay, tumingin eh. So, ito siya. This is the machine. It's long time ago. There's no problem before, but when they remove the transmission, the problem is came. Okay, this is the starting time. So you can see the transmission is ready. I'll start little to keep the transmission will be checking the level. Okay, so the wiring, as you can see, is a bit of a scramble, but make it sure that the connection will be connected properly. The only thing we need to do is just to start to make it sure that everything is properly work or running. Okay, so we are the member that we doing this installation. Okay, so what to do now? We'll start. Connect battery, no?
No, just wait.
Okay, just wait for a few seconds. You already started? What happened?
Computer पूरा नहीं चलता है.
Huh?
Computer full no work. Only starting. No work. RPM कितना डालो मालूम नहीं. No work.
So now it's something problem.
हाँ.
Bakar.
लीक है. इधर ये इसका ये वायरिंग भी लीक है बड़ा. इसका ये कंट्रोल का अंदर.
This is already started. So we're going to move it up the trenching. Okay, could you imagine for a long time that this machine is stopped. So this is the only time that we need to remove this machine from this area, because some other companies will start to do the construction of that place. So more than 5 years that machine is stuck in here. So only now we started. So we're going to transfer on the safe area in our compound. Okay, so keep on watching. Okay, regarding about the transmission, I was told the transmission is controlling this, what we call that? There is a tringing. Okay, so that same as a chain tringing teeth that we use by the transmission, I was told. Okay, so that's it. Just observe and watch in this video and observe.
There's something
Okay.
clicking inside. Okay. Oh! Woo! Stop! This transmission.
Please subscribe. Okay.
Transmission on.
And like my video. Thank you.
ये पाइप इधर है
बड़ा वाला
Okay, so
वो पहले भी लीक था
luckily the moment of plunging is okay, and trouble we need to check it also. If you could you imagine this how much heavy. Okay, so our boss they told you just to finish this problem, and then machine will be transferred because this project is already done. Okay, you can see at the smallest area that where this project will make before. So this machine we should have to transfer other place, because this area is already need to clean up. But luckily, sadly, there's again leaking on the oil system. So you can see how long this machine. The engine is C32. So this is the end of this video. The purpose of this video is just to share and keep the information of everyone. But this machine is the engine is ECM control. Okay, and then some controls also electrical system, but it's an old model type of transing machine. It is a Caterpillar. Okay, that the transmission we make, as I told before, that's the function of that transmission will install. Okay, now it is running. Also moving. Now it's almost ready, but I confused about the socket that I was fixing it, because the connection there is a 2 pin broken, there is 1 pin empty or no connection. I make it joint inside the transmission with the harness. Okay, say hello. So regarding about the installation about the harness, anyone, you don't need to worry if the harness is completely fitted everything, so it's easy to install. The only thing you can do is just make sure that the harness is no damage. As we can see, so I remove the safety plastic. So if you could imagine, for more than 5 years that this machine is not moving, or no one tried to start. So now it is running and working well, while moving to transfer at the other place to keep this machine. Okay, this is it. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry about the details of problem we cannot show in this video, because that time when they remove and installed, they send me my boss, they send me late, so I found only the transmission is already installed, and I fixed the harness or the wiring, inspection all the wirings and repair some damage. So that's it. Okay, thank you for watching, and we are already have one crane here standing by about the installation yesterday. So that's it. Now we need to transfer this machine at the other side, at our store, because this area, I think some other contractor or construction will make something here. Okay, bye bye, thank you for watching. Caterpillar Junang at your service. Okay, it is already moved from here, that area, and then it was moving to transfer over there.
YouTube में जाना था, YouTube में जा रहे हो चला है, इन्हें उधर पर लिंक सारी वीडियो ही नाली है, कुछ नहीं है।
Anong seater dito hindi? But the computer system is Caterpillar. Caterpillar kayo. Mami malo, basta the name maluha. So Transco. Bas system maluha Caterpillar.
This
Program Caterpillar.
all the equipment
Janapko bas Caterpillar program. Monitor Caterpillar. Engine Caterpillar.
ड्रामा लड़ेगा बाकी बेल्ट का सब बेल्ट यू नो that one is Janapko क्या लगे था
Ya Janapko ya.
नहीं गाड़ी गाड़ी का
Smile. Everything in a proper installation, repair the electricals. So that's it. So now this machine is secure in this area, because that place it is occupied by other contractor. So okay. so you can see how much heavy this machine. Okay, again and again, we are ready here, machine here in our store, so it is safe already here. So because again in that area is already abandoned or occupied by other contractor. Okay, so this is it. Bye bye. Some pin is stuck. Okay. Just one day, we'll have to come back here. Follow up this video. To come back here just to install the starting switch, because the starting switch is not starting on the cabin. Should have to put direct on the starter. Okay, so we'll come back someday. Maybe some other weeks when they need to finish this machine. So we will finish it. Okay. Actually, we are near in airport. As the airport. That area is an airport. So you can see that mark in Abu Dhabi. So I'm here at the top. Is Komare?
Yes.
Komare sister. Actually, this machine is caterpillar controlled. Okay, as you can see the monitor, and that monitor also. This usually you can see in a shovel, but they use it here. The RPM and out the what we call computer interface. So you can see. So usually the program they can install in this machine is Caterpillar, and as you can see the sticker Al Bahar. The last checkup of this machine is Al Bahar. Okay.